नमस्कार, मैं हूं श्वेता झा और आप देख रहे हैं आज तक। इंडिया टुडे कॉन्क्लेव में पीडीपी नेता महबूबा मुफ्ती ने कहा है कि उन्हें मसरत आलम की रिहाई का अफसोस नहीं है। उन्होंने कहा कि बिना ठोस चार्ज के बार बार हिरासत में नहीं ले सकते। इंडिया टुडे कॉन्क्लेव का आज दूसरा दिन है जिसमें महबूबा मुफ्ती ने ये बातें कही। कुशासन से पैदा होंगे और मसरत, ये उन्होंने कहा, और देश की संप्रभुता सर्वोपरि है, लेकिन बार बार नहीं लिया जा सकता। क्या कुछ कहा महबूबा मुफ्ती ने, आइए सुनते हैं।
We are here for reconciliation. We are here to do things for the benefit of Jammu and Kashmir. And if we cannot do it, it's better to go and pack our bags and sit at home.
No, but the release of Masrat Alam, do you believe it's a process of reconciliation? Because the Prime Minister said, I was not informed. The Home Minister says that the entire action should be reviewed. So I'm wondering how this partnership is going to work. Are you worried about this reaction? Are you have any regrets?
I wish, when Masrat Alam was released and people should have been debating, how the Supreme Court of India has evolved to the extent that there is a state government which has been all the time without being able to substantiate charges against a person, putting him behind the bars. And it is the strength of this country that there is a Supreme Court which has given a judgment entirely to different what the security mindset we have in the country vis-a-vis Kashmir. That should have been the debate. And if Masrat Alam would not acknowledge it publicly, but I'm sure in the heart of his heart, or the people around him would have been talking, oh God, this is the Indian Supreme Court that has released him.
No regrets.
But we try to subvert even our own Supreme Court when it comes to Kashmir. How can we do that?
So no regrets. No regrets.
Because we have not done anything wrong.
No regrets. You have done nothing wrong.
No, nothing wrong. Because upholding the directives of Supreme Court, if that is wrong, then what do we do? Then tell us that, the Supreme Court does not apply to Jammu and Kashmir. Let's know that. Let's know that.